Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss a problem that often occurs in HP laptops when someone installs Ubuntu software on Windows 11 or 10. The problem is that when we start to on our laptop or computer after installing Ubuntu, then the Ubuntu will not boot. There will be a problem that will say that no bootable device is found or no hard drive is found where operating system is present. For example, if I have installed Ubuntu on my laptop HP ProBook, now I am going to restart it. Now see what will be the problem. I am going to restart it. I have pressed the button. You see what will happen on its screen. It is being on or off. You are seeing. Now if I go to its BIOS, I will press F10. Here I have to enter the administrative password that I have set already. Now if I open it, now I will move toward system configuration. Here you have to move to boot options. In boot options, drag down and come to the boot mode. If you have selected UEFI native without CSM, then select it as UEFI hybrid with CSM, or if you have selected legacy, then also uncheck it and select UEFI hybrid with CSM. After this, I have checked before. After this, you save it and exit. Save from here and save. After that, you exit from here. Yes, I am going back. Exit. Yes. Now you will see that the problem is not resolved. Look at the screen, same problem. Now what will be its solution? We have to move toward our boot options. For that I will press F9. You can see F9 boot options. Now you have to come down at boot from EFI file. I have pressed enter. Then this is the link ACPI. Then press enter again. Then EFI, and then move toward Ubuntu. Then move toward shim x65.efi. Shim and grub are same, no problem, which you selected the your PC will boot. Then enter. Then now you can see that hopefully our problem is resolved. But this process you have to perform every time you have to restart your laptop computer. You can see that the Ubuntu is being booting. Wait, hopefully it will boot and our problem is resolved. You can see the screen that our Ubuntu has been booted successfully. Just wait a few seconds. it is being loaded. Now our Ubuntu operating system has been loaded and our problem is resolved, you can see. Okay, you will not find any other video to solve this problem. I have tried my best to find this method to resolve your problem. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.